Alright, you guys, I am back, and I have a full face of products that I use with the Lorella subscription and a few other products. Today's video, is an unboxing of Younique products. I'm so excited. Our sale's going on, you guys. Hop on to that website and order you some lip products. Oh my gosh, I am loving their lips. It is so nice. So here is the first box. I got a bunch of goodies, you guys. So first things first, you actually get a free packet of collagen. I like it when it's cold personally, but look at all these goodies. So first things first, I did get is the Patience lip liner. I'll do swatches later. I got Pouty Pink liquid lip, powerful lip gloss, minted lip, not lip gloss, opulence lipsticks, feeling fuchsia, loved lip gloss, fab lipstick, legendary lip gloss, and easy street lipstick. All right, the next thing is I also got the Wrapped in Red and Wild Berry limited edition liquid lips. I got the Well-To-Do Opulence creamy lipstick. I got Loaded Opulence lipstick. I got the lucrative lip gloss in Loyal. And then also a Fluent in our Opulence lipstick as well. I'm going to do swatches on here, but I'm excited. I love these products. They're amazing. If you guys ever want to try it out, you do for this entire month. You actually will be able to get a packet of our collagen. It is amazing. It is so good. It's peach flavor, and I love it when it's cold. I don't know about you all, but for liquid collagen, I like it cold. So if you guys are interested, let me know.